Remember I told y'all that the periodic table is filled with information. There's so much information on here, but you have to know how to read it. That's why I said it's kind of like a treasure map. We're going to learn a little bit more about that today. You've probably noticed that the periodic table is filled with columns and rows. These each have their own special name. You have to know this name in order to read the periodic table. Today we're going to focus on the columns, which go up and down, or vertical. These columns have a special name. Columns on the periodic table are called groups. Groups. So groups are vertical columns on the periodic table. Here you see some of the main ones that we talk about in 8th grade colored for you. I think these groups are really cool because each group is kind of like its own family. They have similar characteristics. For example, group 18 is made of entirely gases. So they all are similar because they're gases. My favorite group is the first group, group 1. This is my favorite group because every element in this group is highly reactive. So reactive that you can place them in water and see a reaction, like an explosion, a chemical change. How crazy is that? How many things can you put in water and see a reaction? So you're going to learn more about that on Thursday. But today we're going to focus on the fact that columns on the periodic table are called groups. The group number is labeled at the top of the column. These are the main groups that we focus on in 8th grade. So for example, hydrogen is in group 1. Silicon is in group 14. Argon is in group 18. So the group number is labeled at the top of the periodic table.